Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing the takeaway stuffed crust slime cheese pizza from Iceland. Stick around and I'll tell you exactly what I think. See you soon. Hello everyone, hope we're all tickety-boo. So, takeaway stuffed pizza stuffed with slime cheese. You heard me right, slime cheese. Obviously it's not slime cheese, I just think it's a Halloween gimmick by Iceland. Obviously you can tell we put bats and ghosts all dotted around box and that, but I went in Iceland, saw it and I thought I'll try it. So very interesting. I should imagine it's just like a normal cheese pizza. So you know, it's stuffed crust cheese topped with tomato sauce, cheddar and mozzarella. So yeah, it's just your basic stuffed crust pizza but with green cheese. So this one should be interesting. So it's going to be a short one, this one, because I've got a few things to do. So, but yeah, I thought I'd try it in case you guys wanted to know what it was like if you saw it in Iceland and thought, I'm not trying that. So I thought I'd do it for you. So it was £2.50. I should imagine it's going to be a limited offer this. So let's just take it out of the box, have a look on the back, cooking instructions, and we'll cook it up and we'll have a look at that slime cheese. And I'll see you soon. Right guys, so this is the box. So there we go, it's from Iceland. Okay, a couple of little bats and a ghost. Ooh. And I'm sure you've seen that before in Iceland, that takeaway brand. They're not bad actually. Stuffed crust slime pizza. Green cheese stuffed crust pizza topped with tomato sauce, cheddar and mozzarella. Cheese filled crust. So looking at that, looks so appetising, doesn't it? It really does. So let's just turn it off and let's have a look at cooking instructions. So look, another ghost here, look. So best results cooked from frozen, 15 minutes, 20 minutes on gas. There you go. I'm sure we know how to cook a pizza. We're not daft, are we? There's the ingredients. The allergies may contain celery. Something to think about. Suitable for vegetarians, for my vegetarian friends and viewers. And here's the nutritional value. There you go, something interesting, and that's the weight of it, 475 gram. And it says it there, look, stuffed crust slime pizza. Pizza base with the crust stuffed with a green blend of cheeses. Okay. Sounds interesting. And there you got storage, frozen, promise, and all the rest of the stuff. And it's recyclable. Should be like that. So look, a few bats there as well. So yeah. So I'm going to cook this up, cut it up, and I'm going to have a bite of it, see what it's all about, see what this green slime is. I'll see you soon. Right guys, I'm back, so it's all cooked up. There you are, nice little close up, isn't it? it smells lovely. I'm going to be totally honest with you. You can smell the cheese. You can smell the tomato sauce on it. It does smell really nice, but I'm more interested in what's inside that crust, that slime. Let's see. So I'm going to cut it up, and I'm nervous, but I'm also excited. So we'll see. I'm going to cut this up. Get that for a knife. Good than that one, innit? Right. Oh, it's cutting through nice and easy, that is. Can you see that? Nice and easy. Oh, I can see that green slime. You see that green slime? Right. Here we go. Oh, come on. Right. Cooked nice. Cooked very nice, that. I always think nice dough makes a good pizza, in my opinion. Definitely, that's a lovely pizza base, that. So there's your green slime. There you go. Blech. There you go. I'm just gonna have a bite of that straight away because I can't wait any longer. So I'm gonna have a taste of this. Are we ready? Let me have one more bite. This is weird. This is weird. It's messing with my brain. It really is. Let me just have one more bite. Right. Definitely cheese. It's not slime. But it's got a weird texture. It's got like a little grainy texture. I couldn't tell you what cheese it were. No, I could not tell you what cheese it were inside that crust. Yeah, it's a very weird texture. There's no cheese I don't think I've ever tasted anyway. So let's have a taste of actual pizza. Now, it's rather nice, you know. I'm not going to knock it, that area, but what the hell's that all about? No, not for me. And it's not a psychological thing either. It's not thinking, oh, it looks green, it puts me off. No, I don't eat with my eyes. I eat with my mouth, with taste. A lot of people look at something and go, I'm not eating that. I'm not like that. I'll eat anything once, but no. Looks like mushy peas inside of a pizza. So, not overly impressed, to be honest with you. No. Let's just have another bite. There's not actually a lot, you know, it's on the actual picture, it looks slightly deceiving. It looks like it's sort of oozing out and there's not that much in it. But I've never tasted any cheese like that. What's in? I could not tell you what cheese it were. I really could not. I'm gonna have another look back at the box actually, because I'm interested to see what it is. But no, it looks like that stuff. What? You ever seen that film Exorcist? With piece up comes out of that little girl's mouth. A bit like that, really. But no, it's it's not for me, I'm afraid. You know, it's I get Iceland are just trying to do something different for Halloween, and you know, get kids to, you know, eat some pizza with slime and everything and all that, trying to make a bit of fun. But and it probably will be. Kids will probably love it, but it's not for me. And I'm actually a big kid, believe it or not. But I would buy it again. I'd buy it for kids. You know, Halloween we will probably be having friends, kids round Halloween. We always do, and yeah, I'll probably buy it for them. I know I won't be having a slice, I know that. So would I buy it for me? Probably not, no. Would I buy it for kids for Halloween for a bit of fun? Yeah, I would. Yeah, I definitely would. Of course I would. So I think it'll be fun for kids. But it's new in Iceland. £2.50. Again, obviously, I think obviously after Halloween, I don't think they'll probably have them on anymore, because looking at packaging, it is a Halloween themed pizza. So on that note, apart from that bit's lovely. It is like just like your normal pizza, what you get from Iceland, from the takeaway style brand. But yeah. So I just can't get up. Oh God, what are they doing? So anyway, on that note, I'm not going to waste it. I will eat it up. You know, I don't like wasting food. So on that note, guys, on one of the next videos there's going to be another no item from Iceland, what I'm going to do, and then next week I've got some more budget items what I'm going to share with you. So a lot more content to come, a lot more new content, a lot more helpful content is definitely coming along. I'm actually working on it as we speak. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching, subscribing. It means so much to me, it really does. But like I always say at the end of every video, thank you. Please like and subscribe, no matter where you are, what you're doing. Just please be safe, guys. But take care, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.